Hello everyone, this is Gaurav and I wish a very happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. I hope you all will be happy and healthy. So Mother's Day is very special day for us. We must take care of our mothers and we must obey our parents. So guys, I wanna tell you something on this day. Actually, Mother's Day is being celebrated in more than 40 countries, and almost all the countries have their own regions to celebrate this festival. Like country like UK and USA, America has their own history behind this festival to celebrate Mother's Day. But in India, we don't have any history to celebrate Mother's Day on this day, the day that has been fixed by fixed by the British or other countries that has fixed the date, and we are celebrating Mother's Day on that day. So this festival is very important to us, so we must celebrate Mother's Day. So when to celebrate this festival? To answer this question, I would like to remind you about a festival that has been being celebrated in India as well as our neighboring country called Nepal. This festival is very famous in India as well as in Nepal. The festival called Jitiya or Jit Putrika. Actually, on this festival, mothers keep fasting for their children. So this will be the best day for all the children to celebrate Mother's Day on this day, because there will be a history behind there will be an Indian history or history behind this festival, and we can celebrate Mother's Day on that festival, because this is on this festival mother keep fasting for their children. So we can also pray to God, and we can also celebrate this festival on that day. That will be a Indian day to celebrate this festival. In this year, in 2021, Jitiya will be celebrated on 29th September. So I request every Indian to come with me and start celebrating this festival called Mother's Day on every Jitiya festival, and that will be an Indian region to celebrate this festival, and that will be a very good start for all the Indians, and we will be proud to celebrate Mother's Day, and we all will have our own reason to celebrate this festival. So I request each and everyone, if you like this video, please subscribe and share this video more and more, and let's start celebrating Mother's Day since 2021. And this year this festival will be celebrated on 29th September. So I request each and everyone, please come with me and start celebrating Mother's Day from 29th September. So this is all about I had to say, dear friends, and we should celebrate this festival and we should celebrate this festival having an Indian history behind this, and we will be proud to celebrate this festival with having Indian history behind this festival. So I hope you will be agree with me, and you will start celebrating this festival on Jitiya festival every year. So this is all about. So I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. Thank you. Jai Hind. Happy Mother's Day again.